Hello everyone, welcome to Plus Equal and welcome to 2021. Hope you guys learned a lot in the last year and we are here together for a new journey. So let's begin. Let's launch our engine. What we want is to go to games again, and this time we want to begin with the first person template. So let's select this one. Next, let's select here starter content, should be by default. Name your project. I will put level creation. Oops, level creation. Let's create a project. Now what we have here, we have here our small template from the first person. Let's escape this, and what we need to do first is create a new level. And let's pick default. Okay, let's delete our floor because we don't need that. And let's delete the player start for now. Now, make sure that you are in the place actors tab, go to geometry, and here we have some options of geometry available for you. Let's pick a box and leave it here. Oop. And now we need to transform this into our floor. So I will pop some values here, like 500. Okay, seems nice. Now another 500. And now for the height, we don't need this to be, let's just take a 0 out of here and poop. Okay, should be fine. Oops, my bad now. Should be fine like this. So now that we have our first tile, maybe we should make it looks bigger. So what we can do is just select the tile, and if I press Alt and grab one arrow, I will duplicate my object just like this. Now this, you can go around and try to put it like close to each other. If these don't happen to you, maybe you have this scale here like in 1, and with 1 is very difficult to align your object because it's very precise. So let's Ctrl Z here until we have just 1. Okay, so as you can see here, I just have this one again. What you can do is put this to 50, and now let's click Alt, grab this to the side, and you can see that you can either put it more on the left, snapped with the other object, or more to the right. That's because we increase the value of the grid snap value. So this way is easier for us to move things around and let them snap to each other. Now we have this one selected, you press Ctrl and select the other one, and let's do the same thing, Alt and grab the red arrow and push it to this side. Okay, this way we have our ground set up. So now we can go for the wall, and to create a wall we can just right click, edit, duplicate. We have been doing this with Alt. You can also use Ctrl W, duplicate the object, and let's input something like 20 and 300. And now you can see that our object is below the ground. If you push it up like this and you press End in your keyboard, it will snap automatically to the ground. So this way you just need to worry to put it closer to the border. And if you want this to look perfect, yeah, you can just change this to something like 5 and snap it correctly with your ground, just like this. Once you have this okay, you can just copy it. So let's grab this and put it to the side. Okay, and it's perfect, just like that. Now because we want to bring that here, maybe should be better if we increase this like something like 10, or yeah, 10 should be okay actually. So let's just grab Control the other one as well, Alt and grab this to the side. Let's leave it here, and now we can approximate ourselves and put it as we wish. Okay, perfect. Actually we can go and do the same to another high ground like this. Let's do the same here. Control, Alt, and like this. Looks pretty good for me. If you want a rooftop, we just select 4 tiles and do the same thing. Let's push this up. You can also use, for example, these views here in order for you to make them correspond like that. Should be perfectly aligned. And let's add another wall maybe on the background. For that, let's pick this wall. Let's push it to the middle. Let's rotate it 90 degrees. Now you can just snap it on the wall. Should be okay like that. And here, boom, looks perfect. Do the same thing. Second floor, control, grab to the side. What you can do is just push it inside. No big deal. It looks good for me. Now let's just do something here and add a floor to this side as well, in order for us to create a door here and go inside. So we'll use this surface here to see what we have inside, and we will try to create a door here in the next tutorial, so we can go inside and get outside with our player controller. If I hit play, you can see that I'm inside this room. So in the next tutorial I will teach you how to grab a wall and maybe some windows here to make this look better. What you can also do is build your lighting. So if you go to build lighting only, completed. So there you go, our lighting is built. In the next tutorial we will be adding a door here and maybe some windows inside to get some of the light there. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new. Thank you for sticking by, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you didn't. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.